Welcome back to Easy English Sip. We're really happy you're here learning with us today.
Hello, everyone. Yeah, last time we helped you practice talking about hobbies, remember, and your interests.
That's right. We learned how to share what you love doing.
Mm-hmm.
So today we're moving on to something, well, something new and very useful, I think.
Definitely.
Our lesson today is all about learning how to describe the world around us, specifically describing people and objects clearly.
And this is such an important skill. I mean, think about it. You try to describe maybe a new person at work to a friend or...
Or maybe you're in a shop.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Maybe you need to ask for something specific, like,
Yeah.
I don't know, a blue pen or maybe a heavy box. If you only know words like good or nice, well...
It's not really enough detail, is it?
Yeah.
Those simple words can lead to, well, confusion.
Right. And then you feel frustrated because you're trying to explain, but the other person just doesn't quite get what you mean. They don't see the picture.
Yeah, that feeling isn't great.
So today we are going to fix that. This lesson, think of it like your map, will give you the essential words, the vocabulary.
And clear sentence patterns, too.
Yes. And the key grammar rules you really need. So by the end of this lesson, you'll be able to communicate descriptions much more accurately and effectively.
You'll feel more competent. That's the goal.
That is the goal.
Okay, let's jump right in then. We're starting with part 1, vocabulary and key grammar. Now, listener, this is your chance to practice speaking. Please try repeating these words after us. It really helps.
Okay. We'll start with 9 common adjectives. These are words you can use to describe people, how they look, or their personality. Say them slowly with me. Ready? Tall, short, young, old.
Good. Now, let's talk about personality. Repeat these. Friendly, shy, smart, strong, and funny.
Great. If you can use those 9 words, well, you're already on your way to describing almost anyone.
Yeah, they cover a lot.
They do. Now let's look at 6 useful adjectives for describing things, like furniture, clothes, maybe your phone.
Okay, listen and repeat again. Expensive, cheap, light, heavy, big, and small.
These words seem simple, right?
Yeah.
But they're so useful. Okay, now let's look at a really important grammar rule. This makes your English sound correct.
Oh, yeah, this one's key.
It is.
Yeah.
In English, the descriptive word that's the adjective, it comes before the thing it describes the noun.
Right, so you say the describing word first. Let's try these 3 examples. Listen carefully and try repeating them. A big house.
Not a house big.
A small cat. A friendly teacher.
Excellent. Just remember that. Adjective first, then the noun. It's really key.
Okay.
So now that we have some words, let's move to part 2. 5 useful sentence structures. These patterns will help you build fast sentences right away.
Okay, structure number 1 is, she's okay, and then you add the adjective.
Yeah, we use the super simple pattern all the time for describing people. For instance, she's tall and friendly.
Ah, notice you use him there.
To connect 2 adjectives.
Exactly. Or you could say, he's strong and funny. Very useful.
Okay, structure number 2. He looks plus an adjective. Right. Use this one specifically when you're talking about how someone appears right now, their appearance, or maybe how they seem to feel.
Like maybe they seem tired or happy.
Precisely. Examples. He looks tired. Or maybe she looks happy today.
Got it.
Now here's something really important. A crucial caution for you listening. Do not say he looks like tired. No.
Oh, good point.
Yeah. When you use looks and then an adjective comes right after, you don't need like. Just say, he looks tired. Simple as that.
Okay, noted. Structure number 3 then.
Structure number 3. It's fire plus an adjective.
And this is your basic pattern for describing things, objects, like maybe a car or a jacket or a phone.
Exactly. For example, it's light and easy to carry, using and again there, or just it's really expensive.
Simple enough. What's number 4?
Structure number 4. It has bond plus some kind of feature or detail.
Ah, so what the object includes.
Yes, exactly. Use this when you want to describe what the object contains or includes. It tells you what's part of the thing.
Right, like, it has nice design.
Mm-hmm.
Or maybe it has 3 pockets.
Yeah.
That pattern seems very practical, maybe for shopping.
Very practical. And that leads us nicely to our final one, structure number 5. Compared to LES.
Ooh, this one sounds useful. For comparisons.
Exactly. It's a really powerful structure because it helps you make comparisons directly. You're saying how one thing is different from another thing.
Okay, give us an example.
Sure. Compared to my old phone, it's much faster. See, you compare the new phone to the old one.
Or maybe, compared to last week, today is colder.
Perfect. This structure really helps you express your opinion based on a difference you notice.
Wow, okay. So those are 5 simple patterns you can use right now to describe the world.
That's right. And, language is best learned by actually using it.
Totally agree. So let's test these structures right now in part 3. Role play.
Let's do it.
Okay, listener, imagine this. You're shopping. You need a gift, let's say, a backpack for your brother. I'll be the customer, okay? And you?
I'll be the helpful shop assistant. Ready when you are?
Okay, here I go. Walking into the shop.
Hi there. Can I help you find something?
Oh, yes, please. I'm looking for a backpack. It's for my brother.
Sure. Happy to help. What kind of backpack does he need? Or what's he like?
Well, he's a student,
Hmm.
and he's very sporty and strong. He generally likes simple things, nothing too fancy.
Got it. Sporty, strong, student. Simple. Okay. How about this one here? It's quite light and it's cheap, but it's very durable. Should last him a while.
It looks nice, yeah. But maybe it's a bit too small. He carries a lot of books. Do you have something bigger?
Yes, of course. Let me show you this one. This one is definitely bigger. And see, it has a cool design here on the front.
Oh, yeah. That looks much better. Compared to the first one, this looks much better for him. Perfect. I'll take it.
Great choice. He'll like that one. You have a good eye for style.
Oh, thank you. Well, I think I just do too much shopping online.
Ah, well, that was great practice. See how we use the words and the patterns?
Yeah, it flowed quite naturally using those structures. Okay, now we're ready for part 4. Extra tips and culture notes. Here, we'll learn a few ways to make your English sound even more natural.
Right, going just a little bit beyond the absolute basics. Let's start with 3 slightly more advanced phrases. You'll hear native speakers use these quite a lot.
Okay, what's the first one?
First one is, he's the kind of person who, and then you finish the sentence by saying something they typically do, or a quality they have.
Ah, okay.
Like, he's the kind of person who never gives up. It describes their character.
Got it. Okay, what's next?
Next, try this one. She comes across as, this phrase describes the impression someone gives you, how they appear based on their behavior.
So how they seem to other people.
Exactly. For example, she comes across as very confident.
Okay, that's useful. And the third one?
And the third one is useful when describing an object you can touch or feel. Use, it feels.
Ah, like for texture.
Precisely. For example, it feels soft and warm, like maybe a sweater or a blanket. Using these phrases just makes your conversation flow a bit more easily.
They sound more natural, definitely.
Yeah.
Now, what about some, quick slang phrases, things you hear every day?
Yeah, let's do a few easy ones. First, that's so cool.
Ah, cool. That just means really nice, right? Or maybe fashionable.
Exactly. Just means good, nice, I like it. Second, he's chill.
Chill.
Yeah, if someone is chill, it just means they're relaxed, easygoing, not easily upset.
Okay, like laid back.
Laid back, exactly. And third, it's awesome.
Awesome. That's very, very good.
Yep, better than just nice or good. It means really great. This backpack is awesome.
Cool. Okay, and our final thoughts in this section are about something really important. Culture and politeness. Especially when describing people.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah.
So first, compliments. If someone compliments you in English, maybe says, nice shirt, it's generally polite just to accept it directly.
So don't be shy about it.
Right, just smile and say something like, oh, thanks, or...
Okay, good to know. And what else about politeness?
Well, be a little careful when describing people's bodies or maybe prices of things. We often use softer words, gentler words.
Right, so for example, instead of saying he's fat, which can sound quite rude.
Yeah, definitely avoid that one. It's much more polite to say something like, he's a bit heavy, or maybe he's strong-built. It sounds kinder.
Okay, a bit heavy or strong-built. Got
Yep.
it. And for prices.
Similar idea. Instead of just saying, this is cheap, which sometimes might imply the quality isn't good.
Like it might break easily.
Exactly. You could say, it's budget-friendly. It means it doesn't cost a lot, but it sounds more positive, more respectful of the item and the person buying it.
Budget-friendly. I like that. These little changes really do make your English sound more friendly and respectful.
They really do. Okay, that brings us towards the end of our lesson today. Let's finish up with a quick summary. This is part 5.
Right. So today, you learned 15 really essential adjectives for describing both people and things.
Mm-hmm. Remember words like tall, friendly, funny for people.
And big, small, light, and heavy for things.
Exactly. And you also mastered 5 sentence patterns you can start using immediately. Let's quickly list them.
Okay. Number 1 was, She's dot plus adjective.
Number 2, he looks plus adjective.
Number 3, it's dot plus adjective.
Number 4, it has dot plus a feature.
And number 5, compared to dot, it's dot plus adjective or description.
Perfect. So now it's your turn. Time to practice these new skills. We'd love for you to describe one person and one thing in the comments section below. Try using the sentence patterns you learned today.
Yeah, give it a go. For example, you could write something like, my best friend is smart and funny. That uses pattern 1.
Or for an object, my phone is light and easy to use, using pattern 3 and some nice adjectives.
Exactly. And please remember our biggest tip for really improving your fluency.
Yes. Don't worry too much about checking translations or looking up every single word right away. We really encourage you to listen this lesson again, maybe even a few times.
Focus on just listening first, and then try repeating the words and sentences out loud.
That repetition, listening and speaking, listening and repeating, that is really the key to speaking more fluently and feeling more confident in English.
It truly is. Well, we really hope you enjoy this lesson and found it's useful.
Yeah, we do. And please don't forget to like this video, share it with friends who are learning English, and subscribe to Easy English Sip. It helps us a lot.
It does. Join us for your sip of English fun.
We'll see you next time.
See you next time. And remember, English gets easier one sip at a time. Bye now.
Bye-bye.